Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Asha from Pakistan. It is the fifth assignment, part of the International Educator Bootcamp on AI and coding with junior blocks from Stempedia. Let's move on to the assignment. Okay, is obvious from the heading that it is object detection in night for safe driving. Okay, as we know that we drive the car, the objects far seems to coming to us and the size increases. So here I am mimicking the night time. The camera used for object detection in night time is infrared cameras. So I am mimicking here by available blocks. So let's okay is it is seen that I am far as I am far away from the camera, my size is small. As I move towards the camera, my size increases. So this feature by using this feature I will display my project. So let's execute the code. So these are the sprites and these are the respective codes. So I am executing the code. So this is the headings. So the dot on my eye mimics the infrared object. So as cars moves, the size increases. This line is a threshold for generating the alert. So as I move forward, like the cars moves forward and the objects size increases, it comes towards this car. So as seen, the object ahead alert is generated. You can add the sound also. So as I move away, it disappears. So it is one kind of application. This is the another. So the drivers having the prone to sleeping when they are driving. So to detect that gesture, a simple camera is installed in the dashboard and it tries to detect the posture or the face expression of the driver. So let's execute the code. So here the code is, so I am using the sad face for the detection of the sleeping gesture. So I brings the laptop to the light. I am trying. As my face returns to normal, it disappears. So it is the code. Thank you.